The exploding Russian tanks are legendary now, but there is even a video showing the flying Russian tank man. I cannot imagine a more symbolic way to describe the Russian, failed, offensives in Pavlovka, Bakhmut or elsewhere. This is a moment of crash of Russian jet in the area of Bakhmut, Donetsk region. Russian soldier reviews Himars. It was a nightmare.
И тогда у нас полностью, нам тогда наши склады, где были, ну так сказать, склады, где у нас было все оборудование, вся техника, накрылось все. 13200 и 15300. Ну там был, конечно, сущий кошмар. Все пришло очень точечно в технику. И вот. Эти были неудобные, это неудобные дни, неудобные.
And the nightmare in action. 4 Ukrainian Himars are launching $2.5 million worth of GMLRS missiles at Russian positions. Two more Ukrainian Excalibur precision artillery strikes against Russian armor in the south, a T-72 and ABMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle destroyed. And this video is not related to Ukraine, but it deserved to be the cream of the cake. 30 years of development at Boston Dynamics led to their robot, Atlas.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.